In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Payhip to PayPal. If you sell products through Payhip and want to make sure your earnings are connected to the right payout method, this process is very simple and only takes a few moments. What you're really doing here is linking your PayPal account inside your Payhip payment settings so your funds can be routed correctly. To get started, open Payhip and go to your dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your store, products, and account information. Once you're on the dashboard, take a quick look at the navigation menu so you can easily find the settings you need. Next, click on Account. This section contains the main options related to your profile and store setup. If you're following along on a different screen size, the layout may look slightly different, but the account option should still be easy to spot in the menu. After that, click on Settings. This is where Payhip keeps the more detailed configuration options for your store, including payment and payout information. It's a good idea to move carefully here, since payment settings affect how you receive your money. Inside Settings, click on Payment Details. This page is important because it controls the payment methods connected to your Payhip account. Here, you'll usually see the available options for receiving payments or linking payment providers. Now, look for the PayPal section and click Connect. This is the step that links your Payhip account to your PayPal account. After clicking it, Payhip may redirect you to PayPal so you can sign in and authorize the connection. Be sure to use the correct PayPal account you want to receive funds with. Also, double check that the account is active and fully set up so there are no issues receiving payments later. Once the connection is complete, Payhip should confirm that PayPal has been linked successfully. At that point, your payout setup is ready and future payments can be processed through the connected PayPal account based on your Payhip payment configuration. As a final tip, after connecting PayPal, it's worth reviewing the payment page one more time to make sure everything looks correct. If something doesn't seem right, refresh the page or repeat the connection step carefully. And that's how to transfer money from Payhip to PayPal by connecting your PayPal account in Payhip's payment settings.